Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use AI eraser for photos on your REALME GT8 Pro. First, we're gonna have to open the Photos application, the native one, and then open the photo that we want to edit. Tap on it, and then tap on the pencil icon at the bottom. Then select AI Editor, and let the smartphone download the respective plugin for the AI eraser feature. Then you're gonna have to tap AI eraser, and as you can see, we have 3 available modes to use. So we can paint over an object that we want to erase. We can also adjust the brush size. We can use Smart Lasso to draw a circle around the object that we want to erase, or we can use Remove People feature, which will automatically detect people that we can remove from the photo, and after we tap Remove All, they will be removed. Now, I'm gonna be using a Smart Lasso, and I'm gonna just remove this trash bin from the photo by drawing a circle around it. Then the AI will recognize the object and erase it from the photo. Then we can tap Done, and here is the new photo. As you can see, some artifacts are still visible, but generally the AI did its job. So we can save the photo now, save it as a copy, and then compare 2 photos to each other. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.